Hello everybody, how's it going tonight? So I'm shorting the break, alright? So every time there's a rally, if we've learned something, it's basically there's a lot of channels that are forming this particular month. So every time you see a break, you need to really be on top of it. This is the bearishly engulfing candle that took over earlier already. Huge candle, so I think it was in 2 minutes. 30 second. Well, that's huge, that drop right now. So always be considerate of these kind of breaks, right? When you're drawing a trend line. That's most likely the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make the third, the fourth, and then the fifth up right there. So now we're dropping pretty hard. We're gonna find support right here, right? See right there where I'm at. But if we fall right through it, it'd be, let's see if we actually find a little support. Here's $170. I'll take right. I think I'll take a little bit more than that. 162, 31.3, 31.3, 31.10. It's going up. Then here's $160 American. That's a very fast trade, right, guys? That I entered that trade at 17.48. I closed it at 20.48. So I made $170 American there, which is $220 Canadian. $220 Canadian in 3 minutes. So if we took a look at it on the bigger structure, I'm most likely assuming that this is kind of like a one structure, a two, a three, four, and it's actually trying to form the five, right? So all this is one, I think, somewhere in there. It's hard to see. Or that could have been a WXY in there, but either way, you can even say from there to make a 1, 2, right? Super small little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there. And then we also find the bearishly engulfing candle that took over already. So then the bearishly engulfing candle takes over. So I don't know if that's the first subwave, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 still forming, or if it's finished already. But I'm guessing it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's one more for a pretty good short. I'm going to guess that for now. So I'm really hoping for another wave to the upside because I think we'll be able to short this particular wave again soon. Keep you guys updated very soon. Thanks. Okay, so I decided to open up a long position for SXP. And the reason I did that is because I'm expecting it to get to around this particular trend line up there. So, oh wow, I just got a really big dump right here, but I don't think it's actually even close to finishing yet. I'm in a very solid position right now from what I see. But what I don't like about here is the wicks. You always have to keep changing the colors of the wicks here, which is really not that nice. And then once you go to do it, you got to go to a different one, then you got to come back, and then you can see it. So I'm up $84 very, very quickly right here, and I think this is fairly bullish. So I'll put that there at 35 right here for 3,000. And what would that actually yield? This is a really quick profit here. Oops, 2.35, $100. That's it? Oh, okay. Well, so then now what I would like to do is just kind of ride it. So it's getting a lot of bearishness. So I'm going to take my $88 profit here soon. There we go. Whatever profit that I have there. So now I'm going to watch this guy for short. Don't think we're there yet for sure because we don't see any bearishly diverging RSI. Yeah, so that trade I made 88, I think $88, $100 Canadian. So now it's okay though. I want to sell. Okay, remember this, folks. Sell into strength sometimes as well, and that's very acceptable. Okay. It's very acceptable because you now get an opportunity to reevaluate your next position coming up. And the next position is clearly a short, right? So very high up there, it's hovering. So we're gonna let this guy just kind of go, ooh, kind of like this. Okay, we're gonna let this guy do this, and we're gonna wait till the curvature to fucking fall over. See, okay, watch, just watch, guys. I'm gonna put my trigger finger on 4,000. How much is this? 4,000 here. Okay, watch. So do you see how it's going up? Watch, it's going up, up. It's you gotta watch this speed. Now it's ticking down, but it's still going up, up. Okay, you have to watch this with me carefully, please. Watch it. It's going up. Now it's ticking down. It's getting a little bit of a hesitation. Do you see that? But still going up. See, it's still steady. Now it's fighting. Now it's pretty much time to short it, guys. Honestly, I'm gonna put 3,000. 3,000 very soon. It's still going up a little bit. Okay, it's still going, but it will get that drop. You guys will see right here. Okay, do you guys see that? Okay, that's right there, right here. It's gonna happen right around here. Okay, right around, maybe a tiny. I didn't add much to my position yet, but it's so sad. There we go. It's dropping. Do you guys see this? So I'm gonna put a wick there at 233. Okay, 233. Actually, what is that down there? 30. Yeah, whatever. 3 right there. Oh, do you guys see that? Do you see how I enter? Are you guys following that? Okay. So I just put this at 232 really quickly at 3,000 coins. And right here, okay, watch. It's gonna close whatever I get there at 232, 2.32. So now I'm gonna make $142 on this particular trade, and I think it's gonna dive down. Did you guys see my entry? You saw my entry, right? How it was, but I want to actually go 233.5 because it was a little bit different. So I think this might be the very top of the wave. Like this really capitulated very hard here, and I don't see it going anywhere else right now. But I'll just put it 232 because I would like to make a very quick buck here. So I see it not really bearish diverging yet a lot. So we might get one more wave upwards, but we also might just get a little touch down here as well at the 231 range still, okay? So if I go 231 right here at 3,000, this will be a really nice profit, I think, for me. Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong market. XXP, USDTP. USDTP. There we go. Now I'm looking at the right one. That's better. Okay, guys? So now this is at 232, spiking up here. I'm going to take my profit, $100. I'm going to re-enter. So in this video alone, I made 180 American dollars. That's very fast. I took 2 trades in this video for you guys. One was a profit, one was a trade live here. So I made about $229. Today I started I think at $5,200. So it was a really good trade. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna respect this line. Okay, I'm gonna respect it a lot. Probably gonna expect a retracement down over here, then maybe a bounce. Who knows, right? But either ways, my opportunities are over for now. This is kind of bearish, so I'm thinking of maybe even entering at a golden ratio there, right around there, right? But first of all, I have to zoom out and see if I can actually count 5 waves in here first of all, because we already did all that, right? We know that's kind of a we know there was, oh, hold on, where was that? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So now this is, we know that's the last wave going up. So we have to really break down here where it is. Okay, so we see it's still actually going up. Pretty decent on the 2-minute chart. We don't really know exactly what structures are being counted there, but I'm guessing somewhere in there is, jeez, it's so difficult to count. Maybe a 1, 2, and 3, 4, and this last one maybe for the final patch or for the final one going up here. So I don't like how it's so slowly going up like that. So I might actually enter short, like literally right now. No, let's see, the 5-second chart's still going high. See that? So now I'm gonna enter. I don't like that at all. This price action, right? Golden ratio entering right now. Okay, do you guys see that? It's a really ugly candle that I just got right there. So now that I got to this golden ratio section, okay, do you see that? And also it started to tick down, and this little double top there gave me a big signal to actually enter a short. Okay, so then it's also right at the golden ratio for a short there. So now we're going to expect a little bottom hit at 233, I'm guessing. So then if I go to, for example, 233, that's so fast the money though. Like, these don't mean like 180 or 180 plus more. It really does add up. So this is very likely to hit this trend line down there at 232. So it's a very quick scalp, but this is my style of trading, and this is what I'm good at, right? So 232, I'm gonna make like not much on here, but this is what I do, and I'm very successful at it. So this is gonna be about $60 profit here at 2.32. Actually, no, $100 of profit. So then by the time I'm done this video, it'll be a $280 profit in 6 minutes. So this is very likely that we're gonna just end up finishing this wave, right? So that might very well be the final wave coming upwards already. But I don't, okay, we'll just close this and reevaluate once it gets to, for example, over here. So guys, do you see the trending down, right? You see the tick right here? Look, this is the MACD. That's going to imply that the momentum will at least swing to the downside for a few good minutes. So now we just take a look at the price action there, 23242, right? 233. There we go. Here's the 6 range. There's the 5 range being punctured. There's the 4939. 39 is getting lower, right? 22, and I am coming up in about 6 seconds, I'm guessing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe not. So here is relevant support. It doesn't really want to drive down anymore. So when it doesn't want to do that, Gotta acknowledge those support ranges that it's got. It's probably gonna make a descending type of triangle. I'll probably just close it at 230. It'll break down. It's only a minute chart when you think about it, so there's no reason for it to want to hold, right? So I can even go 31.5. No, that's not a good one. That's not good right there. Nah, don't go up. Please don't go up. 33. 33. I just closed mine at 33. Okay, guys? But I don't know if it'll actually close even. Here's 33. It's pushing to the upside right now. $50. Here's 33. 37. It's actually trying to get up to the 34 ranges, kind of. But see the curvature? It went up now. So I think it's going to hit this top line of the support. Actually, right there. So there we go. We closed. That one was at 33, 3 cents difference. I think 70. Instead of 100, I made $80 American. Yeah. So then I just made in this video for you guys. I literally live traded everything and explained everything, and that was I think 180 plus 70. So I made $250 American in this video. So I actually I'm up 320 in a few short minutes of trading there. That was really nice. And I also took another profit earlier of, I think, $220, right? I haven't lost a trade yet today. Yeah, I took 220. So today puts me at $540 in about 2 hours of trading so far. Not a bad day, guys.